Hi students, in this video we will learn if we need to mark any ROW labels on our section, then how can we mark ROW label, it means right of way label on our section view. For example, we have a right of way here on this section and we have left side here, then how we can get this on our section views. The trick you are about to learn will come in handy for more than just showing right of way location in cross section. Any item that is alignment based can work the same way. So you can open a 1204 section ROW drawing from the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you with this drawing. Now when you open this drawing, you have section views and also sample lines. You can select any sample line and then from the sample line contextual tab, modify panel, just click here on group properties. It will open with you on group properties. Then you need to switch to the section views tab. Here you will see the section views and here you have individual section. So just locate the profile grade column for the section view group, which you can see here. If this is something like this, you can expand this and you will see profile grade here. Then select section view group 1 here and click on the ellipsis button under the profile grade. It will open with profile grade points options. The offset alignments representing the ROW location have been added to the drawing and existing ground profile has been created for you as well. You will use this information to place the right of way symbol in the cross section graphic. So you can keep in mind if you are working in any other new drawing as per your old design, then you must need to take care of these options and these surfaces and alignment. So then you can also mark same like this. So here profile grade points, we have some alignments. For the left side we will select code C left ROW and then click here on add. Again we will repeat for right ROW and then click OK. Now we need to select the marker style, which we can just click on the basic and here you have many style. You will need to find ROW and then click OK. Again click OK for the right side and click on ROW and then press OK. So we already have done everything. If you don't want to show any label for right or left, then you can also uncheck from here, but we will keep both of them, right and left, on section views. Then just press OK and again you will press OK, and if you examine your section views you will see here we have ROW labels, which is our according to our alignments. It was not before on the section views. So this is same for any other object. If you want to look at your section, you can align them with your alignment to show them on your section. So it will use the same way for all other objects. Stay tuned with us for these type of advanced Civil 3D knowledge.